Good morning, friends. So, this is your second chapter of Honeycomb book. The name of your chapter is Gift of Chappals. So, let's begin with this chapter. What is in this chapter? Let's find out. So, here, Rukumani, she is having her two cousins, Ravi and Meena. Rukumani, not Rukumani, the name of that girl is Mridu. Mridu is having her two cousins, Ravi and Meena, and Mridu went to the Rukumani's house where she met with Ravi and Meena. When she went to the Rukumani's house, Ravi and Meena was trying to show her something in the veranda. They took Mridu with them and they were showing in the veranda. In a football, they have hidden a kitten over there in the ground. They were saying ki Amma said that it's a secret and you don't have to tell anything about this cat to the Tapi. Tapi is the grandmother of Ravi and Meena, because if Tapi will come to know that they are having a kitten in or cat or any other animal in the house, then she will be angry and she can leave the house and she will go to the Puddu's mama house. It means she will leave this place. So it is a secret and we don't have to tell this thing to the Tapi. Okay. So this was the secret which Ravi and Meena were showing to Mridu. Then the boy Ravi, he is giving number of examples ki how they found this kitten, from where they have taken this kitten. So they were saying, Meena was saying ki they have found this kitten outside the gate today morning, and this cat was very much helpless. It was crying mew mew. So that's why they brought this cat inside the house, but they can't reveal this secret because everyone is going to scold them. So they are discussing that the elders are very strange. Firstly, they ask us to help every human being and every animal, but when actually we are helping them, then they are screaming on us. So it is very difficult to understand them. They are talking with each other in a way, and meanwhile also explaining that how he found this kitten. The boy Ravi, in excitement, he is sharing a false story which is not true. Actually, he is sharing a false story that how this kitten, whom he named Mahendran, the long name of the cat was Mahendra Varman. What was the name actually? Let me check. It is on here in this page. So the long name of that cat was Mahendra Varman Pallava Punai. In short, he named it as MP Punai. So he was telling the story to everyone, to Mridu and Meena also, that how this cat is a unique cat because it belongs from the Pallava dynasty. He is sharing a false story. He is telling that the ancestors of this cat belongs from that Pallavas emblem lions family. They are the relative of the lion. If in a ship from Egypt, the ancestor of this cat visit to the Pallava dynasty, and this is how the relation is of this cat from that Pallava dynasty. So this story was something which is not actually the true, but in a way, like children used to speak something extraordinary. So the boy was also speaking in a way and convincing both the sister of his own sister and to the cousin also to believe on his story, and he is making them convince. So this is this much in this chapter. After when they were talking and the boy was telling story, in a meanwhile, all the children, they heard a very strange voice which is coming from the window. Mridu was asking that which kind of sound it is. The sound was so uncomfortable that cat was also get afraid of that sound. Then Ravi and Meena, they were explaining, actually this voice is coming from the music room where Lali is learning to play the violin. She is learning the violin, and she haven't learned anything yet. She don't know how to play the violin actually, and the sound is coming from her violin. She is holding that violin in a very weird, or you can say that in a wrong way, so that's why the voice is so unpleasant. When Mridu was trying to look inside the window, so what she find out ki, yeah, actually Lali was not playing her violin very well. The music teacher was teaching her to play it in a well way, but she can't follow him exactly. So this is your first part of this chapter. I hope till here everything is clear to you. In the next module, we will discuss the second part of this chapter. If anything is left, we will discuss that in our class. Thank you.